BMW xDrive, the system that makes your BMW unstoppable in winter. Perfect balance, perfect traction. Until you start to hear the grinding, you feel the jerking. It runs cold down your spine because your transfer case is failing. The price for a new one is absolutely terrifying. But then, in the scariest hour, you remember Schmiedmann. You run to your computer, you go to Schmiedmann.com, and you see it right there. The remanufactured transfer case for just €1,844.96 excluding VAT, saving you €4,736.38 compared to a new one from BMW. Now, you can drive into the winter in control and keep the horror to Halloween.